Hey viewers, let's solve the equation which is x to the power x is equals to 4 to the power x plus 4. We are going to find the value of x by solving this equation. First of all, we'll rewrite this equation as it is, which is x to the power x is equal to 4 to the power x plus 4. Here we'll use the algebraic identity, which is if a to the power m plus n, that will be equals to a to the power m times a to the power n. Means that if their bases are same, then their power will be added to each other. So we'll make it bases would be same. Means that x to the power x would be equals to x 4 to the power x and times 4 to the power 4. Now we can divide both sides by 4 to the power x. So this becomes x to the power x upon 4 to the power x is equals to 4 to the power x times 4 to the power 4 upon 4 to the power x. Here 4 to the power x upon 4 to the power x will be divided by each other. So this becomes x to the power x upon 4 to the power x is equals to 4 to the power 4. Here we'll use again the algebraic property, which is if a to the power m upon b to the power m, that will be equals to a upon b whole to the power m. Means that if they are same bases in the numerator or denominator, so all of these power will be same as this one. So this becomes x upon 4 whole to the power x, that will be equals to 4 to the power 4. Here we can take the power of 1 upon 4 on both sides. By taking this one, this becomes x upon 4 whole to the power x whole to the power 1 upon 4, that will be equals to 4 to the power 4 whole to the power 1 upon 4. That one 4 and that one 4 will be cancelled to each other. So this becomes x upon 4 whole to the power x upon 4, that will be equals to 4. Again 4 can be written in the form of 2 square. So this becomes x upon 4 whole to the power x upon 4 is equals to 2 square. Again we'll use the algebraic property. If a to the power a is equals to b to the power b, so that will be equals to a upon a is equal to b. Means that if their same bases and same power are equals to same base and same power, so their powers will be same or their bases will be same. So this becomes x upon 4 is equal to 2, so x is equal to 8, the required answer. Now we can check this equation by putting x is equal to 8 in the both of sides, left hand side or right hand side. By putting in left hand side of the equation, so this becomes x to the power x is equals to 8 to the power 8, so that is equals to 16 777 to 16. Similarly, we put it in the right hand side, 4 to the power x plus 4, so that becomes 4 to the power 8 plus 4, and that will be equals to 4 to the power 12. So this is also equals to 16 777 to 16. Thanks for watching.